Hello traders, welcome once again to a new video by Forex Robo Trading. So today in this video we are going to check our new robo, that is calendar data trading robo. So this robo basically, as per the name, trades as per the calendar data that are on the day. So with this strategy we have made 7,000 US dollar profit in just less than 2 months of period. As you can see, the deposit was made on 7th of June of 2021, and since then this account has been trading with as per the calendar data, and it has booked a good amount of profit, that is 7,000 US dollar in just 10,000 US dollar capital. So as per that, it is 70% return in just 2 months, in less than 2 months. So with this strategy, and also this is having a good strict risk as well. So it gives SL of about 20 to 30 pips around, and with the risk of 10 to 15%. It trades and give you can expect around 35% per month. So this is a good for any strategy, and we will check the statement for the same. So here is the account statement for this one. So as you can see, so here is the graph. As you can see, the graph has gone first up, came back a little down, but still it is you might be confused with some losses that you are seeing over here, because it is trading in volatility. Still it is maintaining its profit ratio, so that is good for any robo. And the accuracy, if we see, is 87% currently. So it is good for anyone to have. If we are having 87% accuracy, it is good. And this statement for this robo will also be provided in the description link below, and this robo will be added in our 24/7 live streaming channel number 7 here. Currently, due to some technical issues that we are facing, these live streamings are currently not working. So you might be checking the old streamings that we have done a week ago. So we are hoping to resume this as well, so you will be able to check and verify every trades 24/7 in this YouTube channel. Till then, you can always verify the MT4 to Telegram row, where our all the MT4 trades are being copied to the Telegram. So you might check the trades over there as well. And this account, as per you see, this all the news, these are being considered while trading, as you can see. So this robo trades only in a volatility, and this is our all the performance, where this will be added soon. So this is our segregated performance. You can check each and every robo of ours over here, and you can check the statements for them from this active robo section. There is this statement of each and every robo will be available over here, and this robo will also be added very soon to the website. And also you can check our blog, as we have not currently live this robo, so it is not available in any of our performance, but it will be sooner added. So these are all our robos which you can which are being updated daily on the daily basis, with profit and total profit or ROI, daily ROI. It might change. So this has been done. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want the same strategy, this same robo to be connected in your account, you can go for our account management service, or you can also ask us to buy a robo to our technical team, that they will be available here 24/7 So if you want this robo, you can ask our Telegram team. They will be very happy to guide you, and they will also help you to install them in your account. So hope you enjoyed this video, and to get such more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss any update from our side. So hope you have a great profitable day ahead. Thank you for watching this video.